You know that feeling you get when you eat some craptastic food? It tastes great going down, but then later it just zaps your energy and you're like, why did I do that? Oh yeah, because it tastes good going down. Well, how do you recover from something like that? Lots of water, and I like getting a big old 32 ounces of fresh pressed juice. I could do it on my own, and I have a Jack LaLanne power grinder juicer, but I also like to go out and buy something like this. And so if you're going to do this, well, first of all, oh my God, I feel like my body is coming back to life now. It's living food, juiced. So when it's juiced like this, it's going to be more of a mainstream shot right into the bloodstream. There's no fibers in it, so it's just going to go right into my bloodstream, within minutes or seconds of drinking this stuff. So that's pretty cool. That's why the effect can be so quick. But if you're going to go out and buy a juice of some kind, let me read to you the ingredients. Kale, spinach, cucumber, parsley, apple, lemon. There's no absorbic acids. There's no high fructose whatever. There's none of that stuff. It's just simply kale, spinach, cucumber, parsley, apple, lemon. So whatever the ingredients are, in my opinion, the most important thing is that it's just the main ingredients. There's no fillers, there's no additives, preservatives, and so on. This is about as pure as it could possibly be, and it's cold pressed, so that means it was never heated. It's raw, it's living, it's got the enzymes. It's going to go right into my bloodstream from my gut because it's juice, there's no fibers in it. Bring me right back to life. And like within seconds of starting to drink this, my energy is already coming back, and I got 31 more ounces to go, so that's pretty cool. And I just realized this is also going to be a tax deduction for me. So here's a money tip after the health tip. The money tip is get into a home business. Let it be health and fitness related. Let it be residual money is the compensation plan, residual and passive money. If you'd like to see what I've been doing for a very long time now, over 10 years, just ask me about it. It's all about health and fitness and residual money and decoupling your time from your income so you can be a healthy, free human being, okay? Which also just justified this purchase as a tax deduction. That's pretty cool. I can show you those things too. All right, just message me for all that info. And I've got my website too, tomberkenmeyer.com. Tom Berkenmeyer, just like it's spelled here on social media. But if you go there, also private message me, because we're humans. We're supposed to have conversations with each other. All right, bye for now, everybody. Take care. Mwah.